not only a great designer, she's a very great friend of mine.
We had a birthday dinner at my house 2 nights ago. There was wine, there was full fish, there was everything. सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि stunts मैंने खुद की. Ajay Devgan is a rock star. Hi, it's Samina. I'd like to wish everybody a very happy and a very safe Holi.
आज याउचा में मैंने बर्थडे पार्टी रखी है एंड इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल पार्टी बिकॉज मेरे सब फ्रेंड्स मेरे जो क्लाइंट्स हैं मेरी इंडस्ट्री के जो फ्रेंड्स हैं वो सब आ रहे हैं. आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस बिकॉज कभी कभी you want to chill and you just want to have a little bit of fun rather than just work all the time with especially people who you're constantly in touch with to work, or your friends who are you hardly get to meet because of your schedule.
I had a long association with Nita Lula, and she's not only a great designer, she's a very great friend of mine, and I'm here to wish her all the best for the future.
सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट ये है कि I always tell Nita I love cooking for her. और we've already had a birthday dinner at my house 2 nights ago. There was wine, there was full fish, there was everything. तो आई थिंक कि खरीदने के लिए बहुत कुछ चीज़ें होते हैं, लेकिन अगर दिल से कुछ खाना पकाए तो आई थिंक दैट्स मोर स्पेशल देन एनीथिंग व्हिच आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन लास्ट वीक.
Fantastic designer. She's a lovely person. She's one who's reinvented herself so many times. I wish her all the very best, and very happy to be here on this special occasion with her.
Wish her a super healthy and happy birthday with all the success. More than anything else, I think she's made it such a fun girls event that we're all looking forward to meeting all the girlfriends. Anita is always a person, I think, who invites you with such warmth that you feel like making the effort to be there.
नीता की खासियत ऑफ कोर्स ये है कि शी डज द ब्राइडल कलेक्शंस एंड इंडियन वेयर, बट नोबडी नोज दिस कि नीता ऑल्सो मेक्स प्रिटी सेक्सी ड्रेसेस. एक्चुअली आज का ड्रेस नीता का ही है, और नीता हैज रियली शॉक्ड मी विद दिस वेरी वेस्टर्न ड्रेस ऑफ हर्स. तो हाँ, मैं भी नीता की सबसे बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ फॉर इंडियन ड्रेसेस, बट आज शी इज़ कन्वर्टेड मी टू वेस्टर्न्स.
I would say elegant sarees which I have and I enjoy wearing them, and I've had some of her sarees over the years and I don't feel like discarding them. I enjoy wearing them even now. The blouses I have to keep changing because I keep putting on weight but other than that I enjoy the sarees.
सर, कौन सा बॉलीवुड स्टार है जिन्हें आप ब्राइडल वेयर डिज़ाइन करना पसंद?
No, I've already worked with all my favorites. My other favorites who are not married, definitely I would love to do that.
आप अक्सर वही शादी के कपड़े लोगों को पहना करके सबका शादी ब्याह करवा देती हैं. अब इस साल किसी करवाने वाली हैं कुछ?
सोच रही हूँ.
किसका?
You will get to know very soon. काफ़ी सारे आने वाले हैं, काफ़ी सारी सारों को इनवाइट किया है. हालांकि अभी दोपहर के 1 बजे हैं तो सबकी शूट स्केड्यूल्स रहती हैं, बट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर डेफिनेटली कमिंग.
is coming out in I think April 27th, और मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ क्योंकि the promos are looking fantastic. I think Ajay Devgan is a rock star. He's single-handedly he's like the king of this film. Lot of stunts, lot of great the locations of Scotland and London, and we had like all these amazing places we shot at. And I think सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि stunts मैंने खुद की. It was very very daredevil, whether it was in the water or on the bikes. So yeah, it's a very new experience. Generally I hide in my house for Holi, लेकिन इस साल सोच रही हूँ कि कुछ चीज़ करें, लेकिन मैं कुछ खाऊंगी नहीं और पीऊंगी नहीं क्योंकि I'm scared. You know what happens if you eat something on Holi.
I celebrate every year with my friends. There's some party or the other we go to, or we party hop. I haven't decided what exactly is going to happen today, but देखेंगे. Good afternoon, मैं हूँ मंदिरा बेदी और आप सबको मैं होली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ. Happy Holi.